Hey everyone! So in this vlog, I will take you to the places I stayed in Dubai, show you a quick tour and talk to you about the prices. Currently, we are in the Business Bay area, which is technically the most expensive place you can stay in Dubai. But it's pretty close to Burj Khalifa as you saw the view. This apartment has 2 rooms and a living room, ranging from 1,300 dirhams a night. So guys, I just want to share with you the view from my apartment in Dubai. I told the guy at the reception I really want my view to be Burj Khalifa. He was just like, I got you. So guys, I'm here in Dubai Mall and I'm so excited. I'm going to try Al-Bake. Last time I came here it was like so full, but this time I took the leap of faith and I stood in the whole line, and now I'm going to try it, and now comes the moment of truth. Guys, it's amazing. I just tried it. I like Al-Bake so much. I am currently at Dubai Mall, and Dubai Mall is the home to most international and local brands worldwide, and is the biggest mall in the world. Also, it's the home of an aquarium that has over 140 species, of which 300 are at least different types of sharks. And of course, were you ever in Dubai if you didn't visit both the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and Dubai Mall, the biggest mall in the world? Coming to Starbucks in UAE, I was like so excited to try the matcha latte, and here I am, I'm trying it. There was like a lot of hype about it and it's not available in Turkey, so I'm trying everything new different. So, matcha tea in Starbucks is the worst thing ever and was never ever worth the hype. Okay, let's go back to the video now. Okay, now I actually just got McDonald's. Again, in Turkey we don't have Big Tasty, and my favorite meal from McDonald's is actually Big Tasty. So I just got it for 34 dirhams, which I think if you want to know how much would that be in Turkish lira, that just multiply by 5. So, yeah. One thing I also noticed here in Dubai is that it's one of the fastest growing innovative cities in the world. They are home to 200 citizens from all around the world, which leaves a very little room for racism. Hi everyone, so this is day I don't know what in Dubai, and today we are going to try safari. God, I love the coffee. I love how it looks on me, and let's go. Let's kick some butts.
The storms we
Damn,
chase
the
are
bus.
leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
One thing you must try in Dubai is the safari experience, which for us it was around $200 per person. We chose to go with Ocean Air for our safari experience, but unfortunately we missed the pickup time, and then after the quad bikes we drove ourselves to catch up with the rest of the activities. To our luck, we got lost in the desert.
I mean, we don't like. I don't know. It just looks like that. That's the road.
Let's follow that.
Yeah, we're definitely lost at this point. So our night is going great so far. Our car is stuck in the sand. We're just chilling. It's okay. We have water in the back. We have empty water bottles. The air outside is nice, right? We can just stay the night. خلاص, it's fine. Not the end of the world, يعني. We just keep the windows closed and everything away from like snakes and what else is there? Yeah, that's it. We're just waiting for help at this point.
We had some Emirati people stop to help us and tried to pull it out, but didn't work. And then we called Ocean Air to come to rescue us, and they sent a team to help. So yeah, what an experience that was. Please don't mess your pickup time with the tour companies.
Okay. Pass.
Hey everyone, so after we missed safari for like 2 days and we drove to wrong places and we had a whole adventure of our like car getting stuck in the sand and all, we are finally here. We made it almost on time this time, almost on time, and our car is not in the desert, like in the sand. It's good, it's all good. So yeah, stay with us to the second part of the safari.
Tenete bene, eh? Ciao.
Fare la pagliaccia, Jay. Ecco qua.
In the beginning, I was like afraid to like hop on the camel because I had bad experience riding horses. But it was cute. It was nice. Okay, made it to the top. It's alright. So I'm not a drama queen. I'm just not used to effort.
This nigga is running. This nigga is running. Why are you running? Der versucht mein Bein zu kramen. Why are you running?
So first, yes.
Incorporating means the tent. What is the tent? Like this old house, which is old, but we use it to like live in the desert. Also, if you wanna write your name, the name of Sondos, anything, you can do it there. The washroom from here, coffee, black tea, and tea with milk, special type of flowers.
Trying Arabic coffee in Dubai. Oh my god. I mean, I was already like crazy drinking this most of the time, specifically in Ramadan, but missed it. It's been so long. So we're trying this crepe. It has cheese from inside, and they told us like to try it. It's something like national here, even though I don't think so. But I just like the way how they made it, and it tastes really nice.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am.
Hi. This is the Emirati cuisine. There's actually soup in every cuisine over here. Now this is the Arabian cuisine because I see tabbouleh here. And here we have the Moroccan cuisine.
With the devil and pray that you will survive. I'm the party starter. I'm the party starter. Everybody, let's go.
And the last thing I had to visit before leaving was the Global Village. Entrance was only 23 dirhams. The most beautiful thing about it is that it has all the things related to all countries in the world in one place, all united. And I wish for all of us to be united and in peace someday too.